FARREL roll grinder. This has a concrete base. The length of the concrete base is around 29 feet. Here you can see in detail. This is the grinding wheel. This is a very brand new grinding wheel. The height of this concrete part is around 2 feet. This is around 39 feet. 39 inches, sorry. Here you can see the various motors. Now we'll go on the back side. This is a CNC controlled, Fanuc controlled machine. The rail is altogether of 33 feet, I think. Yeah. Here you can see the red cap motor. This is the panel. I can't open it now. You can see the control, it's Fanuc. There it is. Thank you.